everyone! I am Rolando C. Salinas, a first-year BPED student. And for today's video, I'm gonna show to you what are the mathematical concepts that can be found in nature. First mathematical concept is fractals. Fractals, it is a never-ending pattern. Fractals are infinitely complex patterns that are similar across different scales.
Example of that is trees. Trees is a natural fractals, fact that you bit smaller and smaller copies of themselves. Each tree branch from trunks to the tips is a copy of the one that came before.
Golden ratio. Golden ratio, it is a special number that is equal to 1.618, and there is also a graph that called a golden spiral.
Example of that is a papaya. It has a shape of a golden ratio, and also it presents in animals like cat,